Reed and Baldwin is an administrative law case concerning natural justice. Here are the facts of the case. Mr. Rich, the plaintiff, and 2 other police officers were charged with conspiracy to obstruct the course of justice. Mr. Rich was acquitted and the other 2 police officers were convicted. The trial judge sentenced the other 2 officers and made some adverse comments as to the character and suitability to the position of Mr. Rich. Consequently, the Watch Committee dismissed him from the position of Chief Constable. The committee gave him no notice of any complaints against him, no opportunity to make representations on his behalf, and no advance warning of the meeting during which this decision was made. Therefore, the plaintiff sought to obtain the declaration that the dismissal was void, ultra vires, and illegal. The key issue in the case was whether the committee had breached the rules of fairness and natural justice. The House of Lords allowed the appeal by the plaintiff and granted him the declarations. The House thought that they were appropriate as the rules of natural justice had been breached. Lord Reed was concerned with the wrong decision made by the Court of Appeal. He stated the following: "The notion had crept around that natural justice was too broad to be accurately defined. The trend that had set in during the early 20th century was because of the Second World War, because other priorities came to surface." However, he argued that whenever a body can affect the rights of subjects, there is a duty to act judicially. You do not distinguish what is administrative and what is judicial.